What if I tell you that your daily boring tasks, sending emails, updating spreadsheets, posting on Slack, or even using AI tools, can run automatically without you touching anything? And the best part? You don't need to be a hardcore coder for this. Today, I'll show you a tool that can save you hours of work every week. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Troubleshooters, the channel where we simplify technology, automation, and AI so you don't get confused, and your work gets easier. If you love learning about tools that save time, increase productivity, and make tech simple, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Today's topic is n8n. If you've heard names like Zapier or Make, then n8n is something you must know about. In this video, we'll cover what exactly n8n is, how it works, why people are switching to n8n, real-life use cases, and who should use it. So watch till the end. This tool can completely change the way you work. What is n8n? n8n is a workflow automation tool. In simple words, it helps you connect different apps and make them work together automatically. For example, when you get a new email, it saves data to Google Sheets. When a form is submitted, it sends a message on Slack. When new data arrives, it asks AI to analyze it. All this happens without manual work. n8n is pronounced as n8n, and it stands for Nodemation, meaning automation using nodes. How n8n works? n8n works on a visual workflow system. You create workflows using blocks called nodes. Each node does one job, like receiving data, processing data, sending data to another app. You just connect these nodes, and your automation is ready. No confusing setup. No heavy coding. Just simple logic. Triggers in n8n? Every workflow in n8n starts with a trigger. A trigger means, when this happens, start the workflow. Examples. A webhook is triggered. A new row is added to Google Sheets. A scheduled time like every day at 9 a.m. A new email arrives. Once the trigger activates, the workflow runs automatically. After the trigger, you can add actions like sending emails, updating databases, posting messages, calling APIs. n8n also allows conditions, if, else logic, loops, data filtering, data formatting. So your automation is not just basic, it's smart and flexible. AI integration in n8n. One of the most powerful features of n8n is AI integration. You can connect AI models to summarize text, generate content, analyze data, build AI agents, automate decision making. This makes n8n perfect for modern AI workflows. Self-hosted vs cloud version. n8n gives you two options. 1. Cloud version. No setup required. Everything is managed for you. Perfect for beginners. 2. Self-hosted version. You host n8n on your own server. Full control over data. No execution limits. Best for developers and businesses. This flexibility is one big reason people love n8n. Why people are switching to n8n? Here's why n8n is becoming so popular. More control compared to other automation tools. Advanced logic support. Open source option. Works great with APIs and AI. Cost effective for long-term use. In short, n8n gives power back to the user. Let's talk about how people actually use n8n. Businesses automate CRM updates. Marketing teams automate email campaigns. Developers automate API workflows. Content creators automate posting and analytics. AI builders create intelligent pipelines. From small tasks to enterprise-level automation, n8n handles it all. n8n is perfect for beginners who want to learn automation, developers who need flexibility, businesses that want full data control, AI enthusiasts, anyone tired of repetitive work. If automation matters to you, n8n is worth learning. To sum it up, n8n is a powerful, flexible, and easy-to-use automation tool that helps you connect apps, automate tasks, and even build AI workflows, all in one place. Once you start using n8n, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, it really helps the channel grow. Comment below and tell me, what task would you automate first using n8n?